Ready, set, bale. How to get your baler in top shape for a stellar hay season. There's nothing quite like the satisfying crunch of perfectly baled hay under a bright blue sky. But behind every flawless bale lies a critical secret: a well-prepared baler. As the hay season approaches, the race is on to harvest before the weather turns or the grass loses its prime. The key to success? Starting with a baler that's finely tuned, dependable, and ready to perform at its best. Neglecting this vital step can turn a productive day into a frustrating repair marathon, costing you time, money, and quality. Drawing on expert advice, we've put together a detailed guide to get your baler in peak condition. Because when your equipment runs smoothly, so does your entire haymaking operation. The ultimate 7-step baler prep checklist for a hassle-free hay season. 1. Conduct a thorough inspection. Look carefully for worn belts, loose chains, cracked components, or damaged tines. Early detection prevents costly breakdowns in the middle of the field. 2. Lubricate all moving parts. Proper lubrication reduces friction and wear, ensuring your baler operates smoothly. Don't skip the bearings, chains, or gears. Treat your machine like a champion athlete. 3. Check your twine and net wrap systems. Test twine arms or net wrap feeders to ensure flawless operation. Proper tension and alignment here mean consistent, tight bales without annoying jams. 4. Clean and adjust the pickup mechanism. Remove all debris and adjust the pickup height perfectly. The goal is efficient gathering, neither scraping soil nor leaving valuable forage behind. Final word: prepare today, bale like a pro tomorrow. The window for making quality hay is tight and unforgiving. One misstep can cost you precious hours and spoil your crop's value. But with a baler that's prepped and primed, you can meet the challenge head-on with confidence and ease. Invest the time now to inspect, lubricate, and test your equipment thoroughly. Your hard work will pay off with smooth baling days, neat bales, and more time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, a great hay season starts long before you hit the field. It starts in the barn, with a baler that's ready to roll.